I'm Renu, and today I'll tell you how you can be a very confident personality, because everybody wants to be confident, and whenever you are confident, then you can do something, then you can achieve something. A hesitant personality cannot achieve. But even though we are so much hesitate, we are so much fear in our mind whenever we go on the stage, whenever we face crowd, we face public, then there is a butterfly in our stomach and all. So we always want to get rid of that problem, and we ask many people what to do, how to do. I'm very hesitate. So you will very frankly, I want to tell you, no medicine in the market, no injection in the market. No one, no like a doctor that will inject you and you will start feeling confident. What you have to do? Only you have to believe in yourself. Only you have to trust in yourself. Only you have to love yourself. Whatever you are, you should be confident. Whatever you are, you must like yourself. What is the problem? Na? We don't like even ourselves. We always find the negative things in ourselves. Each person has some of the good things and bad things, but we always ignore our good things and we always focus on our bad things. Like if you have a short height and all things are good, you have good features, you have good complexion and all, but you would always say, no, I have a very short height. Similarly, if you are tall but you don't have good complexion, or your features are not good, you would say, no, my face is not good, my complexion is not good. And in other way also, you can say, I don't have this degree, I don't belong to this background, I'm so obese, I'm so thin. So various kind of negativity comes in our mind, and that things we keep in our mind, and that always hesitate us. So what you have to do, only whatever you are, either you are of short height, like you can take the example of Napoleon, he was of short height. If you are obese, you can take the example of Tuntun, very famous actress in Bollywood. If you find that some of the problem in the body parts, you can take the example of Nick from Australia, the motivator. So whatever you are, you have to feel confident in yourself. Until unless you are not confident in yourself, so how you can create confidence to others? You cannot show yourself that you are confident personality. You would remain always hesitate, because that negativity, that kind of fear, that kind of weakness is always is dwelling in your mind, and you are always thinking about that. No, I am not like this. Whenever you will go on the stage, no, I can't sing good, I can't dance well, I can't speak well, I do not look well, my dress is not good. So why do you keep these all things? The first thing what you have to keep only in your mind, you have to believe in yourself. You have to trust in yourself. You have to love. Means what you are, whatever you are, like yourself, love yourself, trust in yourself, because you are in you. Okay. Now second thing what you have to do, even though you find that you believe in yourself and whatever you are, you feel, you love, but somewhere you feel hesitation. Like if you think when you go on the stage, what happens that you can't speak, you can't face the public. That kind of fear come in mind, because everybody cannot face the public. So only there is a remedy, that practice. You have to practice. Learn and practice. Learn and practice. Learn and practice. Whatever you will learn, whatever you will practice, of course itself the disease will you will get rid of this disease. This disease will disappear. Even you will not know when you have started, when you have got that much confidence. Only you have to start practicing. First time you will go on the stage, you will feel hesitation. Let it be. If you are feeling hesitation, let it be. But decide in your mind, then you will go and you will speak. Let the people laugh. If they are laughing, let the people laugh. Because first time they will laugh. Second time they will laugh. But third time you will improve and they will appreciate you. So do not care of the people, what they will think about me. Because at that time you are learning. You are at the learning process. If you will not learn, then how you will get the confidence? This is the main reason that in starting we feel hesitate and we do not start. We give up. No, you do not have to give up. You have to practice. You have to start and you have to practice. If you want to speak on the stage, go on the stage. If you want to participate in debate, participate in debate. If you want to speak English, how much you know, whatever you know, start speaking English. Start using the English words in your language. Gradually you will find the tremendous change in yourself. And apart from that, what you can do, that you must be very aware of everything. Awareness is very necessary. Like, you must know what kind of trend is going on, what kind of fashion is going on, what kind of knowledge is required. If you are aware of entire things, means your knowledge, your awareness is really up to our mark. So you will not feel that much hesitate as much you are feeling, because you will be knowing about so many things, and then you will get the opportunity to prove yourself by telling about so many things. So that is also very necessary. Be aware. Awareness is very necessary. If you are going somewhere, you must know about everything. What kind of gathering is there? What kind of dresses I should wear? How should I carry myself? How I have to deal the audience? How I have to deal the people? So that awareness is also required. Another thing what you can do, that there is a consistency. If there is no consistency, there is no dedication and determination doing that thing, you will not be able to be a confident personality. You will always feel any kind of fear and hesitation. Always you will find a person who is very determined, very dedicated, very devotional, and is very consistent doing any of the thing. He is always a very confident personality. No remedy of this in removing your hesitation. Only you can get confidence. Whatever the things I have told you in today's videos, means what you have to do, first and very first thing, whatever you are, keep in your mind, always repeat, whatever you are, you love yourself, you believe in yourself. And then wherever you find the weak areas of yours, you learn, you do practice on that. And then you are consistent. Means that doesn't mean only one time you have gone on the stage and then you have left. Sure, you will not be able to improve. Consistency is very necessary, and that will come through your dedication, devotion and determination. You do that, and I assure you, I'm very confident to making you confident by telling you these strategies. Now you do practice on that, and please write on the comment box that you have really got the benefit by learning and by listening these videos, and please share with you all. Thanks, wish you all the best.